YouTube posting, and this video is gonna be all over the place because it's an update of what we have going on with the car. So we just got our front lip. It's not on. It's just mocked up right now at the moment. I didn't drill nothing in. I just wanted to see how it looked because this is a different front lip than the black one I had going on. I feel like everyone runs that one front lip. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, but this one is totally different. It's a V style. I forget the name of it, but got that going on. We're eventually going to paint match the front lip, the mirror caps, and the little wing we got going on. But until that happens, we're gonna run it black like that. So far we have the front lip, we have the mirror caps, we have the tints, we have 15 to 20% right in the middle there. We have that, the lip, the little spoiler. Don't mind the car, it's filthy. We have, let me get underneath there. Got a dead bee on the hood. And then underneath the hood, we have the intake, charge pipe, boost pipe. But the car is coming along, and I love it every second of it. My God. And next, we got to do our lowering springs and our downpipe, and the car is done. The car is 2 mods away from being complete. And then it's just like nothing left, for real. But my goodness, compared to where we started with this car, this looks so fire. I ain't gonna lie. And then, of course, the rims and stuff, but I want the 437Ms for this car. I feel like that would bring it all together, but this front lip is so hard, and it's so different. You don't see these on these F10s. This is like, you'll probably see like one out of, I don't know how many. This front lip is just so hard. It's so different. I love it. I ain't gonna lie. The whole front end just came together with that lip. Oh my God. On YouTube, you know, the last clip I showed you the front lip and everything, but this is the car all put together, cleaned, washed. There's still a couple things I got to do. Have some things coming this week that I'm about to do, but for the time being, the car is basically finished. I know I've been MIA with this car for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. It's like E46 and just driving this car. I wasn't really showing out what I did, but as you see, we finished. We put the front lip on. That's on. The mirror caps are on. Windows is tinted. I gotta fix the little spoiler I got going on, but that's on. Basically, the car is basically done. I'm done with the build, basically. Just 3 more things I really got to do is just the rims, spring. Really don't need the rims, but I found the rims I really want, and I got a good deal on them. So it's rims. I'm gonna do my lowering springs, and I have to do my downpipe and tune. But other than that, and my music, I think the downpipe and tune might be the last thing I do, because I really want to put the sub in. But so far, the car is basically done. I know I didn't want to go like a black and blue, but I ain't gonna lie, it's growing on me. I was thinking about doing color match for the whole car, but for the time being, this is what we got going on. For the time being, but this is the build. You already know this build is better than Jaheem's build. Like, let him know down below in the comments what build you think is better, my build or the Lex. You know, the Lex is K. But this is what the car is looking like so far. Once you do the rims and the lowering springs, the car is basically 100% done. I do have the GTS tails still at the house if I want to do them. I don't know if I want to, cause I like how I'm going OEM Plus. Oh, and the diffuser. The diffuser's coming soon. I'm doing quad tips. I gotta do that soon. That's coming real soon. But other than that, it's really not much I want to do to this car. I'm keeping it basically OEM plus as possible. And it rides smooth. Everything is just put together perfectly. I'm just so happy how far this build came, to be honest with you. And like the tints brought it together. I said I wasn't going to do tints, dark tints, but I did like 15%. And it's just perfect. It's not OD. It's still like under the radar, but it still look clean. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when we're on the way to pick up the special thing for this car. But until then, out. Peace. So we're back. I picked up, beep. But I'm picking up the camera after I picked up the rims. These are the old stock ones that y'all know, but I already put the rims on, and I'm just on my way back to town. About to go get some food, and then once I go park up and get food, I give y'all a little walk around of the car, and then I'm gonna go to the spot. I do have a TPMS sensor because I totally forgot the PSI that I'm supposed to run. I'm supposed to run 39 or 40 in the rear and 39 in the front. But I blanked and I forgot, and I told the guy 35. So that's why I'm running a TPMS code right now. But once that's the thing, everything should be situated. The car looks amazing. Everything is flush. There's really not much I got to do now other than the lowering springs just to really flush it out right. But it looks amazing. I feel like the F10 should have came with these rims. The M5s, I feel like they should have came with these rims from factory because it looks perfect on this body, like it's meant to be. But let's go get some food and then go relax. I am off tonight, you feel me? So I'm gonna edit this video, give you guys some content, maybe a TikTok or two, because I'm just in love with the car and how far the car came. Because it's only been 5 months, so I'm excited to really dial it in with the downpipe and the tune. And this car is done. I finished this build in less than, actually, not even the full 5 months. I didn't start building it until like 3 months ago. So 3 months, the car is built. It's really not that hard to build a car, to be honest with you guys. You just need to put some money aside and just grind. But once I do the lowering springs, it's GG's. And the two, like the downpipe and stuff, yeah, but I just want the body and the exterior to be how I want it, and then the engine stuff is gonna come, you feel me? But I'm about to cut to when we get to the spot to get some food. I think we're about to get some Chipotle, but we're finna go park up, chill out a little bit, get some food, and then I gotta go home, take these rims out, and clean up. I want to clean up the inside because the rims are fucking up my interior, but we're gonna do that, and then we're in a clear. So, yeah. So chat, these are the new rims. What are they called? 437Ms, right? Yeah, 437Ms are on the car. We did it. OEM plus. Y'all out? She gonna blow up soon. We got Ja in the spot. Yeah, the 437Ms on. Get the 437. Can I finish the damn beer? Oh, my bad. 437Ms are on the car, on the F10. I've been working on this car on the low because no one knew I was working on this car. No one knew. But I should have been bad. So the car is basically done, OEM plus. But you just gotta do the lowering springs. I'm gonna do that in 2 weeks. And downpipe and tune, and the car is completely done. Stage 1, so come a long way. But if y'all enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, get amazing content like this. Peace.